Qingdao Dingquan Plastic Machinery Company Limited has over 16 years manufacturing experience for plastic machinery. PVC marble sheet machine is applied to produce PVC sheet with hot stamping or lamination, which has marble colors. Its new top decoration material. Comparing with natural marble, it has features of lower cost, popular in school, office buildings, shopping malls, supermarket, transportation, and other public places. Whole line consists mixing system, extrusion system, 3-roller calendar with film lamination, tractor, cutting, and auto stacker. Dingquan machines have been exported over 68 different countries and regions. Dingquan brand produced so much favorable comment from market. Today's quality, tomorrow's market. To build a better future, we are sincerely looking forward to your joining and growing together with us.